Hey friends, welcome back to Grand Adventure. I'm your host Mark Guido, and in this episode we're going to do something a little bit different. We're heading up skiing at Grand Targhee Resort in Wyoming. Come along for the ride. Unlike many RV travelers, we actually seek out snow in winter. We spend our winters skiing, and our regular viewers have begged us for a little bit of ski content this season. So this episode's for you. Grand Targhee sits in Alta, Wyoming, on the western slope of the famed Teton mountain range, but you can only get to it through the eastern Idaho town of Driggs. There are two lift-served ski resorts in the Tetons. Jackson Hole Mountain Resort in Teton Village is the larger and more famous of the two, but Targhee gets more snow and is far less busy than Jackson. We decided to make the 4.5-hour drive from Salt Lake City to Targhee to escape the skiing crowds of the Martin Luther King holiday weekend. Driggs has certainly changed a lot in the 20 years since I last skied Targhee. There's actually now a traffic light in town. For the past 20 years, our friend Camille has owned a condo right on Ski Hill Road, and she graciously invited us to enjoy the holiday weekend with her at Targhee. In search of a hearty meal ahead of a full ski day, we ended up at the Knotty Pine Supper Club in the tiny nearby hamlet of Victor, Idaho. If you've got a table of 4 to 6 meat eaters, we highly recommend the Knotty Pines Picnic, complete with house-smoked ribs, pulled pork, smoked brisket, mac and cheese, and more. It's a true barbecue delight. Grand Targhee's base area sits at an elevation of 7,851 feet, and the ski area reports an overall vertical drop of 2,270 feet. A full 75% of its terrain is well suited for intermediate skiers. Lift service is provided by 2 high-speed quad chairs, 2 fixed grip quads, and 1 magic carpet lift for true beginners. Annual snowfall averages an enviable 500 inches of light, fluffy powder.
Yeah! No lift lines today!
No lift lines today. Situated on the windward side of the Tetons, clouds often obscure Targhee summit, leading to the well-worn nickname Grand Foggy. But when the skies are clear as they are today, the views of the Tetons from Targhee summit are nothing short of mesmerizing.
that?
Famished from a full day on the hill, we found an exceptional shrimp pad thai at Teton Thai, right adjacent to the only traffic light in Driggs. So we truly hope that you've enjoyed coming with us to Grand Targhee. Now, if you're not yet a Grand Adventurer, we put out new outdoor travel adventure videos each and every Wednesday. So make sure you get down there and hit that little red subscribe button in the corner and ring that notification bell. And we'd be honored if you shared Grand Adventure with your friends, family, and on social media. It's extremely important to us. If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up down below. And also down below is the comment section where we always love to hear from you after each episode. Until next week, please remember, life is nothing but a grand adventure. We'll see you then.